Hi, I'm Greg McQuillin, and today I'm going to be taking you through my family enchilada recipe. And so we're going to try to get dinner set up, ready to go. We're going to make a combination of beef and cheese enchiladas. And I'm going to take you through the steps on how to make it. So we got our ingredients here: beef already pre-cooked. Put it in the pan and made that pretty quickly. Have some cheese from the store, and then some corn tortillas right here ready to go. So I'm excited. I'm going to take you through the process real quick. We're going to take one of the tortillas. I'm going to dump it in the sauce, heat it on the pan right here. Going to bring it over, lay it delicately. Put 2 teaspoons of beef in there. Just like that. Move it around. You want to make sure there's a lot of flavor throughout this whole thing. Take a handful of cheese, delicately place it on top. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take it and roll it tightly, placing it next to the other one right there. And we're going to repeat the process. I'm going to do a time lapse to make this speed up so you guys can see the delicious food as we're moving forward. Thank you. Okay, so now that we time-lapse that to go through the tedious process, our enchiladas are placed, beef and cheese, and now we got to take the sauce and we're going to quickly stir it real quick to make sure it's all good. Okay, got that. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly pour it over to let the sauce soak into the tortillas and give more flavor to it. So we're going to start that process now. Okay, and then we're going to spread it out right about now. Okay, so layered it with the sauce. Now everyone's favorite cheese, right? More cheese. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cheese and we're gonna put it all over the top of it. Just a nice little coat layer. Make sure everything is covered. Me and my family, we love cheese, so we're just gonna lather some on top. Make sure every coat is covered. Spread it around. We're gonna do this more efficiently. Probably shake it over out of the bag and then just spread it on top. That way we can have a nice cheesy bite in every part of our enchilada, which is why our family likes to eat most of them. And yeah, so, okay, perfect. Now we're gonna give you a nice shot of what the top looks like now, with all the cheese on top of it. Okay, so now that everything's finished, the last thing we have to do is preheat the oven. So we got that preheated right now to 350 degrees. And we're gonna place the enchiladas in there for 30 minutes, give or take a few minutes. We're gonna just check them to make sure they're cooking all the way through and not getting burnt, because we want to enjoy our food and not make sure that we're eating food that's burnt. And then after, we're gonna take you and show you the finished product, and then we're gonna get it right out to my family so we can get to eating pretty quickly here. Thank you. Enchiladas originate from Mexico, dating back to the Mayans, with corn being a high staple crop at the time. However, the name was changed to what it is now by Spanish conquistadors upon arrival in the Western Hemisphere. My family enjoys any time that we can make dinner or dishes together, which happens to be a lot during the holidays. My family's cultural background is Hispanic, with my grandpa and grandma starting a restaurant featuring Mexican dishes in the 1970s. Overall, I hope you all enjoyed the recipe and learned a different way to make enchiladas. Thank you.